Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Taking a look at XRP here on the daily time frame. As always, before we begin, please do like and subscribe. Really appreciate all your support. You're all absolute legends. And with that being said, you can see here we are taking a look at the good old daily time frame on XRP here. You can see we've got that very big, massive pump we saw over the basically Ripple getting their summary judgment for XRP. They're in the clear now. They've got some regulatory clarity, and we think overall, judging by what we've seen on the documents, it's a big defeat for the SEC trying to, cripple cryptocurrency, basically. Set a really good precedent for the crypto market in general, and it's going to be very good going forward, I believe. Obviously a massive pump off of that, but the technicals still holding very true, aren't they? You can see we basically ran all the way up to the 618 Fibonacci and got the big rejection there, didn't we? You can see on that daily, look at this daily candle, man. This daily candle is wild. This might be the biggest daily candle I've seen for a long time for XRP here. You can just see the, maybe back here. This is a huge candle. What is it? This 100 and over 100%, I think, from this low up to this high. 103% daily candle. Absolutely crazy. And then obviously you can see we came up, touched the 618, started to get rejected, come back down. We're coiling currently in and around that 0.50 Fibonacci level, in and around that 70 to 75 cent area. Massive daily candle, a decent retracement, and then you can see here starting to coil up, losing that volume. On the hourly time frame, you can see what's been going on. Massive run up here, came down, retested support, broke down, tested resistance a few times. Probably thought maybe break down, back test, continuation for this. Fill some of this big space that we've seen from the huge pump. But in reality, we've actually just seen XRP kind of coiling up around this area. Came back above, retested. Now we're looking like we're, coming down and testing again. And really, we're just kind of coiling up, aren't we? Doing something like this. Bit of a flag type formation after the pump. Obviously, you could see, it'd be crazy if we saw something like this. Where essentially, you've got your pump, your massive flag, and then breakout continuation like that. That would be wild. Going well up above $1. Obviously I don't see us doing that, really, considering this is a big piece of news and a massive candle. As a result of that, I don't think that we'd get another massive candle straight after it. Much more likely to be a lot more resistance up at that $1 level as well, I think, as well. But ultimately right now XRP is looking very good indeed, isn't it? I'm very happy for everyone that's been holding XRP for such a long time. And now that it's got regulatory clarity going into the next bull run as well, in my opinion, it could be quite likely that we see some major, let's say, major moves for XRP going into the next few years, in my opinion. Probably looking at something like that. We'll wait and see what happens next with that. Obviously, in terms of the macro, we've got something like this, haven't we? Going back to 2017, all the way back in 2017 here, you can see we've still got this overall resistance that's never been broken. You can see here we've formed a big multi-year resistance now for XRP from the previous two bull markets. Up here at around 125. I mean, if this got broken at any point in the next year, I would be very bullish on XRP to at least come up and touch that high again. Which actually, interestingly enough, there lines up pretty much perfectly with the Fibonacci extension at the 127, with the previous all-time high from 2017 there. So we'll see what happens with that. Overall, I'm feeling good about XRP in general. Very nice to see that it's got regulatory clarity. That's really bullish and amazing to see. And we are just going to wait and see what happens next, aren't we? Obviously, Bitcoin looking a little bit bearish over the past few days. Again, still ranging, dragging the altcoins down, but right now I'm feeling pretty spicy about everything, and we will see what happens next. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.